Introducing Haven, the latest addition to our laminate restoration collection. Incredibly realistic and authentic, Haven uses our true detailed digital technology, which creates an industry-leading 20 individual plank visuals, making it hard to believe it's not hardwood. Haven features the most on-trend species in flooring today, European white oak, and is available in a 7 9/16 by 50.5 inch plank format. Haven features 5 stunning colors: coffee, honey, oat, toast, and wheat. Haven fits seamlessly into many interior styles, including Scandinavian, Nordic, and Bohemian. When combined with Bohemian elements like different patterns, colors, and textures, Haven will help transform any interior into a calm, tranquil environment that only natural wood visuals can create. With minimal texture, this subtle yet gorgeous pattern is the perfect addition to any home. All Restoration Collection products feature our Spill Shield Plus waterproof warranty, providing worry-free protection from everyday spills and accidents, so your new floor will resist everything and impress everyone. Mannington, begin to imagine.